I started 3D printing because my partner and I were designing a house to build. My mind was so full of thoughts, and there was no way to actually make things real, you know, for a lot of these things. And I thought, oh, wouldn't it teach us a lot to actually print a design for the house rather than just draw it on paper? You know, maybe we'd see it better. So I spent $1,000 on a kit on Kickstarter. So finally I got it and I put it together and it didn't work. But it was great to just be able to do that thing of having a thought or an idea and making it real. What do you need? The cool thing about the 3D printing for me is that, like, the first printer I got, it didn't work very well. But I looked at it and just things were obvious to me about how to improve it to make it work better. My project is to show you guys how to build these printers. I print out the parts and help with the ordering, and so now's the day when we're building the frames for the printers, and then I'll go home and do the electronics. This is important to middle schoolers because, you know, it could be useful in the future. You know, it's kind of a neat skill to be able to practice designing something and producing it. I am bringing this technology to a middle school, but I'm really happy. It's something that I really wanted to share with other people.